Want to add bio in Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to add bio in Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the Threads app on your phone. Then click on your profile button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the edit profile button. After that, tap on the text box below bio. Now enter your bio. After you have entered your bio, tap on the tick button which is at the top right corner of your screen. After you have entered your bio, tap on the done button which is at the top right corner of your screen. And that's how you can add bio in Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.